बस एक मोमेंट में ही बात बन गई थी जब आप दोनों जन ने एंट्री किया जीसीसी क्लब में, और जब मैंने आप लोगों को देखा तो मेरे आंखों से आंसू ही नहीं रुक रहे थे। क्यों? क्योंकि जब आप प्यारी सी जब पैदा हुई थी ना उस पिंक ड्रेस में, पहली बार जब मैंने आपको देखा था, हम दोनों के बीच में 15 साल का गैप है, जब मैंने आपको देखा था तब से हम आज तक सोच रहे थे कि आपका दूल्हा कैसा हो, तो बिल्कुल आदर्श के जैसा हो। तो इतना अच्छा लगा देख के। और शादी की भी इतनी भाभी हमने तैयारियां की यार, राइट? लॉकडाउन के होते हुए भी हमने ये सोचा था कि जो ऐश्वर्या की शादी है हैशटैग आदि की ऐश, इतना ज़्यादा हैपनिंग बनाएंगे। और गाइस, जो मैंने आपकी केमिस्ट्री देखी, इनफैक्ट फुल फैमिली ने जो आप लोगों की केमिस्ट्री देखी है, आउटस्टैंडिंग। आप अपने आप में ही दोनों कपल्स कंप्लीट हो। तो मैं ऐसी दुआ करती हूँ, ऐसी ब्लेसिंग देती हूँ, माता रानी करे आप लोगों की ज़िंदगी हमेशा खुशहाल रहे और आप लोग बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा इंजॉय करो। आदर्श, एक दो तीन बहुत सारे मैं आपको टिप्स देना चाहती हूँ बहन होते हुए, कि ऐश्वर्या को मॉर्निंग में बहुत जल्दी उठाने के लिए आप कोशिश मत करना, क्योंकि उसको सोना बहुत पसंद है। आपको मिठाई और मिल्क चीज़ें नहीं पसंद है, मिल्क आइटम, लेकिन हमारी ऐश्वर्या को मीठा खाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है। इनफैक्ट उसको रसमलाई, चमचम, गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ला, केक्स बहुत पसंद है। तो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा खिलाना, उसका बहुत ध्यान रखना। बहुत बहुत प्यारी है। थोड़ी सी नकचड़ी हमने बना के रखा है, तो आई एम श्योर कि उसका बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा ध्यान करोगे। और जहाँ तक हमको पता है, हम शुक्ला फैमिली की जो लड़कियाँ हैं वो घरों में जाके जब हम ससुराल जाती हैं तो ऐश्वर्या आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अपने मॉम डैड का भी ध्यान रखना है और सबकी लाडली बन के रहना। हाँ, लेकिन जैसे चीनू के बालों की आपने हालत की थी, वहाँ पे वो काम किसी के साथ ससुराल में मत करना। एक और बात याद आ गई, जैसे सन्नी भैया आपके साथ में मस्ती करते हैं, आशीष भैया आपके साथ में मस्ती करते हैं और आप रोने लगते हैं। आपको वो डांस का इंसिडेंस याद है? वो डांस करते करते सन्नी भैया ने जब ऐसे ज़ोरों से कोई आवाज़ निकाली थी तो आपका रोना शुरू हो गया था। या कोई भी जरा कुछ बोल देता है, या एसी अगर ज़रा भी कम होता है ना, मैडम को एसी का बहुत आदत है भाई, ज़रा सी एसी कम हुई नहीं, गर्मी लग रही है, गर्मी लग रही है। तो आदर्श, be ready to pay a lot of light bills. Bye, enjoy.
Hold me closer, hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is La Vie en Roses. When you kiss me.
Hi Bushra and Adarsh Fufa, congratulations. एंड मैं बहुत मिस करूँगी बुआ आपको, क्योंकि आप मेरे साथ जब आते थे तो बहुत फ़ोटो लेती थी, बहुत मस्ती करते थे, हम बहुत बातें करते थे। आई मिस यू।
Hi Didi Jiju, I'm gonna miss you both a lot. I mean Didi a lot.
You can miss your जीजा।
Yeah, जीजाजी also. वैसे भी हम सालियाँ हैं, right? आदि घरवालियाँ हैं।
I never thought Jiju इतने प्यारे होंगे मेरे, इतने क्यूट होंगे, and Jiju you're very 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 cute.
Very cute. जब हंसते हैं तो एकदम ऐसा लगता है टैडी हंस रहा है।
And I love you both a lot.
When you kiss me up inside, and though I close my eyes, I see La Vie en Roses.
Hello, my dear darling Aishwarya. I really love you. You're so near and dear to me. I just remember the day when I came to your place, that is in Shukla family. जिस हिसाब से हम दोनों की बॉन्डिंग हुई, आप शायद 6th स्टैंडर्ड में थे और जब मैं यहाँ पे आई थी, और आप मेरे आजू बाजू ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू बी जस्ट हमेशा एक साथ रहना, और डे बाई डे जो कनेक्शन बनते गया और बनते गया, एंड इट्स लाइक टुडे इट्स लाइक सो नियर एंड डियर टू मी. I'll not say that I'll miss you, because I know that whenever we want we can meet, we can go together unless and until of course. But yes, आज तो टेक्नोलॉजी का ज़माना है, तो वीडियो कॉल हो जाएगा, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. But yes, I really love you darling. And yes, Adarsh, please take care of my dear daughter. Yes, she is like just my daughter, so please do take care of her. एक शिकायत नहीं आनी चाहिए. I hope नहीं आएगी. So God bless you both forever, ever and ever. Love you both.
You press me to your heart. I'm in a world apart, a world of roses blue.
since childhood, and there is not a single day we have not been speaking to each other and not laughing together. And I mean, it's just like a sister from another mother, I can say. And now that today is the D-Day for her, and I can't express how I'm feeling about this event in general. And it's such a bliss to have her in my life. Such a beautiful soul, such a pure soul, and I just wish her all the happiness.
Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be la vie en rose.
So Adarsh, this is a very big day for you as well as for Aishwarya, and I would have never believed, and I am so overwhelmed after hearing this news that when you called me and told me that, bro, I got a girl, I'm going to marry to her, and that was like so mesmerizing for me. And we know we have been struggle a lot. We did not have any pennies in our pocket, but then to our life, we both stick to as a brother, day in, day out, and we used to speak about it to our family, about our friends and everything. But in the end, we have come to this point. We have gone to ups and downs in every situation in our life, and we are still together, and thick and thin we were with each other. So I am very glad that you are getting married to a girl like Aishwarya, and we met, and Aishwarya is a very lovely, very bubbly and very charming girl, and the vibe with which you both match each other, it's fucking amazing, and I love you both. I wish you a very happy married life, and you both rock together, and it's great that you took this decision because it was time, and you deserve it, bro, and I love you both, and stay strong, stay classy. Thank you, bro. Bye.
Hold me close and hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is
Love for me is the wow moment. It's like when the two souls meet and they feel like, wow, that's the best I can have. That's the best I can be with. That's the best I can share my sorrows, my joys together. That's the best that I can want to grow old with. For me, love has no boundaries. Love just happens. And loving Aishwarya was something which was not planned for me. But as I told you, like the wow moment which I felt, I met her on Instagram. I don't know, something clicked inside me, and I thought, like, let's take this conversation ahead. And the day I saw her, it was something which I feel I've never felt for anyone. Like you just feel it, you just see, and you remember the movie Memuna. It's like everything is blowing around you, the wind is blowing around you, everything is, you just see that face and nothing else. Aishwarya is an eternal part of my life right now, with whom I want to spend my whatever life I have left with, and I want to achieve everything with her. I want to achieve everything for her, and I want to achieve everything together. Because in a relationship, it's not just me, it's us. So I want that us to be forever, no matter what the situation, what the challenge is. And I know Aishwarya, I choose Aishwarya because I know she's going to stand besides me, no matter what challenges I've faced in my life, no matter what challenges I'll face in my life, because she understands me to the depth. She understands me in and out. She knows when I'm angry, she knows when I'm sad, she knows when I'm hungry, she knows when I'm full. So this is something which happens very rarely to me. Being the person I am a bit emotionless, but that emotions had just came flowing out when I met her. I decided to marry her because I knew she was the one when I met her. I knew she is gonna be the perfect match for me as well as for my family. Because when you marry someone, you just don't marry that person. You marry the entire family. And the togetherness I feel, the togetherness and love I feel with their family, plus the togetherness and love she feels with my family is unbreakable, which I feel. my love has no boundaries for her because it it's comment. It's like I have no comments left for her. I have no words to explain why I love her because just 4 words will not complete my love for her. My love is beyond that. My love is above that. So I just want to say that I love her a lot, and I hope we stay strong together. We love each other no matter what challenges come, and we make sure that we end our life together happily. The marriage that we had and we're gonna have in a couple of days, we had not planned it. We were trying to push it to November. We were trying to push it to next year. But for me, it happened. It happened because for us, it was like we wanted something grand, but we were okay with the situation. And I was very scared to tell her that, I just want a small function. I don't want it to be big. Because I feel that today everyone looks for, something which is more charming, something which is more enjoyable. But for me, being with my family and my friends and being with her, most importantly, is the only thing I wanted. And when I shared this thought with her that, maybe let's just have a small wedding, let's just keep it for 25-30 people. And she was so understanding. She was like, yes, why not? Let's do that. Because the word she said is like, you are important for me, not everyone. So that touches my heart every time I wake up in the morning. It's like, I want to see her face when I wake up in the morning. And I want to tell her that, my day doesn't end until and unless I meet her or talk to her. And that's the reason I want it to be forever, and I want to get married to her as soon as possible.
When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world of roses.
Love, I feel, is many emotions and there's no definition to it, right? You feel so much at home, you feel serene, you feel at peace. वो सुकून, वो just, you just know when the person is looking at you and you can feel the love. There's no need to say it that that person loves you. When he looks at me, I always tell him that, when you look at me, I know you're looking at me with love. And yeah, if I had to define it, I don't know. It's just the way he looks at me. I know he loves me a lot. I think that is love, I guess. Adarsh Tiwari just brings a smile to my face. I might hate him on days, but I know I am madly in love with him on days. I don't know how it happened. People tell me, "Arey, you're getting married too soon, yaar. Abhi 2-3 mahina hi hua hai. Arey, wait for it." Doesn't feel like it, yeah. You know what's surprising? Him and me, since the time we've met, हम कितना भी लड़े, and trust me, we fight a lot. It's just that we meet each other and it's gone. It's poof, like nothing ever happened. मेरी family, उसकी family, everybody keeps on saying, अरे you're getting married, बस हो गया यार, lifetime में क्या करोगे इतना मिलके? But in 2-3 months, I can't think of one day that we haven't met. No matter how angry we are, no matter how pissed we are, no matter how happy we are. And I guess that's the beauty of it, right? When I fell in love with him, so we went to Gorai actually. The second time we met, I know it sounds insane, second time, yes. And this person, he's talking to me and he tried holding my hands and me being like, really? And when I left after meeting him and we started thinking, that maybe we should see our parents about it and all of that, I thought I never wanted him in my life. But then when the day came when my father actually went to meet him, I somewhere started rooting for him, like, oh God, ye ho jaye, please, ye ho jaye. And I think that's it, right? Like, you don't realize that you're in love, but you just start rooting for a person and you want to be with that person. I never wanted to move abroad. I never wanted to do a lot of things. There were so many things that he has and I never wanted in a person, but I think you fall for everything together, right? So, he's home. He's somebody who grounds me. So how in a traditional society we're told कि अरे शादी तो करनी है यार, eventually शादी होनी है, बचपन से सुनते हैं हाँ बड़वी की शादी में ये करेंगे, उसकी शादी में वो करेंगे. But does anyone really talk about the partner? Both our parents were inclined towards arranged marriages. Little did we know that Instagram played a little tweaky role in it, and we found each other. Marriage to me is marriage with him, is a life with him, is a lifetime of happiness, sadness, ups, downs, everything, just together when he holds me tight in